this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own frame, and this is the picture I'm working with for my very loyal girl, very friendly, very good. So this is the board we're working with, already sliced into the size I want. So this is what you do, just wash and you understand. This is the board, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to apply gum on it. Just apply the gum all over the board. Apply it very well, and please get a very good gum. A gum. Yeah, this is me here waiting for the gum to dry up. Okay, I'm waiting for it to dry, and I think it's ready. After the gum dries, you put in your picture, the picture you want, you put it inside and you arrange it. Please make sure you arrange it, make it smooth. Make sure the picture is straight in the board. Okay, don't just place your picture just like that. Arrange it and smoothen it, please. You understand? You see me here trying to arrange it. That's what I'm doing. Arrange it very, very well so that it will sit well. After arranging it, you cut the excess part of it. You remove it from inside. You can see in the video, you can use, there's this cutter, but me here, I'm using razor here. So you cut it out from it. You do it everywhere if there is excess. And this is the edge tape. This is the clip I'm working with, and that's the edge tape. After then, some people normally use glass, so they've made this one easy for everybody. This is glass, but it's not breakable. It's not going to break, no matter how your picture fall. It's not going to break. You see it. So this is me peeling off the paper on it. They're using wrapping it for it not to get scratched. This is me pulling it out. It's easy, and I'm going to place it on the board. We have already put my pictures. So what next to do now? I'm going to peel off the edges because I'm not going to peel everywhere. Okay, I'm clipping it down now. You can see what I'm doing, and make sure you place your glass very well for it not to shake. Make sure you're placing it very well. You hold it firm. After doing that, you do it for the 4 edges. Then I'm applying my gum on my edge tape. You need to apply it on your edge tape. Some people they just apply it on the board, but here you can see me applying it on my edge tape. Going to apply it everywhere. Then now I'm applying it on the board. And please, if you're applying it on the board, you can see here you have to be very careful, like extra careful. You understand? Make sure you're doing a neat job, not just doing anyhow. If you see that you made a mistake, please remove the gum from inside. You're giving your client or whoever you're giving it to, you're giving them a neat job. Please. You understand? So after then, I'm going to gum the edge tape on it now. Going to tape it round the board for a nice finishing. Going to tape it round the board. You can use white. The reason why I'm using black, it's because the background of that thing is of the picture. It has some black on it, so I'm just trying to use black. After applying it, you trim the excess tape out. You can't just leave it like that. You remove the excess tape from inside. You cut it off. Okay, and that's what I'm doing in this video. Don't say I did not tell you. It's easy to learn. After cutting it off, you can see it now. You sandpaper it. This I'm filing it. Please don't file it, don't bend it when you file. Make it straight so that the dust will not get into your picture. There's a way you file it now, you hold it and file it, the dust will enter inside the picture. You don't want that to happen to you. Yes, and I'm almost done here. I'm going to open it now, and voila, that's the picture. Isn't it beautiful? See, with this, you'll be able to learn how to make your own frame. Where's my thank you? Let me get my thank you in the comment section. And for where to get your frame, for where to get, it's easy. Depending on where you are. If you're in Ughelli here, it's easy for you to get where to print your frame. You just get the desired picture you want or the picture your clients want. Go to where they print pictures. They will print it for you. And they've made it easy these days. Some of these people printed this picture. They cut the board down for you to use. You understand? So it's very easy. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.